What's up, guys? I'm starting the video off here. I'm at Pat's. Bro needs some motivation, so we're gonna get some stuff done. The all motor car is down. He's lost his motivation after this failure of it. Not his fault, but I'm here now and I'm not leaving until we get the engine pulled out. This is a turbo car. It hasn't been on the channel in a long time. Still runs and drives, just needs a battery. This guy's got two of the cleanest Civics in Florida. I'll say that. But he never drives them because, you know, he hasn't had the best of luck with them. But these are full-blown World Cup finals built cars. They can run a number. I think this one makes like over 500-600 horsepower. So it's probably gapping the thing I have because it's light as hell. This one's NA. He'll probably beat me to at least the A because it's got that NA pool. Wide bodies on there. So this video, not gonna do much talking. Probably just gonna set up a time lapse and we're getting his engine pulled out. So gotta help the homie. Let's go. Quick pause. For some reason, the battery decided it wanted to, something started getting not happy and it just started melting everything. It was smoking, everything got super hot. Me and Pat both burned the hell out of our fingers trying to, for some reason we thought we can Hulk through about 10 gauge wire and pull it, but yeah, that didn't work. So he got the cutters, but something wasn't happy and it just started melting. And Pat's already got some PTSD with this car catching on fire before, so we didn't want to have a round two of that. We're not sure why the wires are, I mean, nothing has changed on the car. We literally, if you guys saw, moved it over. I disconnected the coolant line. He took off the header and then this started happening. So hopefully his fuel tech is still good, but we'll look at that after we get the engine pulled out. But just wanted to give you guys a quick update on why you saw us scrambling around in the time lapse. So, I have no idea what happened. No idea why that happened, but we'll get back to it.
Dismantle a race car in an hour.
There you have it, guys. The all motor car is an all empty car. Here's the motor. Only took us about an hour. We spent most of the time actually just looking for tools, and then we had the slight, you know, wiring, fire, melting extravaganza, whatever you want to call it. We got the boss here supervising.
I'm doing my best.
But it's out. He's gonna take it and rebuild it again. And hopefully I'll get this thing back running here soon. It's a pretty wild car. Here's the socials. Not bad, not bad.
Super dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty. But yeah, it's really nothing else left here to see, guys. So that's gonna be it for this video. Pat, you made it to the tube again. It's been a while. We got it done, and we're just gonna get everything cleaned up and push back over.
Hopefully it should be chopping soon.
Yeah. So whenever it's running, I'll be back over, or I'll get some footage from them. But rebuild coming soon, 2024. This thing's gonna make a pass. So, anything else to say?
Ready.
Tell PJ all motor is okay.
I don't have a problem with all motor.
Full NA hater.
I mean, my first engine was an all motor, KA, single jammer.
I think it's time to build a drift car.
I've been trying to get them to a drift car.
Box Chevy.
Or a road race car, whatever. You do some time attack stuff. You can road race in a box Chevy. Something new. Or drifting.
It would definitely go viral.
I ain't never seen no box Chevy drifting. I'm just saying. Not legit. We get some tandems.
It'd be the real G-body shuffle.
Yes, sir. Oh, shit. My bad. Sorry. This is a nice dryer. Sorry. Samsung. Okay, I'm ranting. All right, guys. Peace.
Shit on my bitches, taking my dose, I never skip it. Still in my hood, a pistol.